Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray Creatinine Kit for sarcosine oxidase method. On the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Creatinine Kit for sarcosine oxidase method. Here we can see the creatinine kit symbol Crea. In the front view we can see the product name Creatinine Kit for sarcosine oxidase method Crea. In the bottom we can see the reference number of this kit CRE1202. This kit contains two reagent. The reagent 1 2 into 27 ml, reagent 2 1 into 18 ml. Here you can see the lot number and expiry date of this kit. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. You should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall front view of this kit. On the other side we can see a blank space. On the back side we can see a blank space. On the side we can see the brand name of Mindray. This is a total representation of this kit. Here we go for summary. Today we can see Mindray Creatinine Kit for sarcosine oxidase method. This kit contains two reagents. Reagent 1 2 into 27 ml, reagent 2 1 into 18 ml. Thank you.